Kakanhun Menteri ke Sorkar Jela ke sengi palai kala Mynjur ke Kyndon Thmai jong ke Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act ajan ru panang penbun ke jingla Shimram jong ke Sorkar 100%. Habaya klen bar kinong tho ku bor hadin ke jingilang Kakanhun Menteri rang ba konrat ke sangma le thu bahaus nem bala la ru yakane ke ai la Pynkylla Thmai bala le yakane namar ke Sorkar India kala sha e ki jila ba pher takin Pynkylla yak jing Shimram ke bala pensyong nong rim katkum ki jing penjanai hakarukom trikam bala Shim dak jila ba man laus nem haba kali ukonrat loong ba upot bala ban Shimram dak jila ke katkum ba saus pa klot tengka katkum ke jing ong jong u upot bala ban Shimram house nem bala la ka long kumba khandai pho klot tengka.
We had a cabinet meeting today, and there were 4 important decisions that were taken by the cabinet. The first decision was to amend the Meghalaya Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act 2006. As you are aware that even last year this particular act was amended, and this is done because obviously Government of India has allowed different state governments to increase the budget borrowing based on reforms that are taken by specific states on an annual basis. Even last year, the reforms that were taken place by the state government in different departments allowed us to increase our budget borrowing limits up to 4%. And this year again, based on the power reforms that we are taking, there will be 0.5% increase in the budget borrowing that is allowed, and that annually it has to be amended. So the particular act and through an ordinance is being amended today. So with 0.5%, roughly the borrowing goes about 400 crores is what the impact will be of the borrowing. And as I said, you have to remember, please, so that everybody is aware that these are now norms and these are processes, and this is what is allowed by Government of India. So it's not that we're just going ahead on our own to do what we want. These are provisions that Government of India for the last 3 to 4 years has been allowing different state governments to do, and most state governments has been availing this, but it is done on an annual basis. So every year it is only 3%, but they allow this 3% to be increased to 0.5 and then another 0.5 based on specific reforms that the state governments do. So this year also we are working with the central government, and based on the reforms that the adoption is taking place, this 0.5% additional is being allowed to be taken by the state government.
And last year, how much, sir?
I don't remember the exact amount that is there because it's a last year, but last year also it would have been approximately about 900 crores.